Climate change is not an imaginary phenomenon. It is real. It affects us right here in our community in profound ways. From extreme weather events to rising sea levels, changing ecosystems to health risks, the consequences of climate change are becoming increasingly apparent. Our community has experienced more frequent and intense heat waves, storms, floods, causing damages to infrastructures, disrupting lives, and threatening our safety. The changes in rainfall patterns and rising temperatures are also affecting our local farmers, leading to crop failures. Also, climate change is bringing a lots of health problems like spread of diseases, worsening air quality, and gives impact to our mental health due to the death, displacement, and loss caused by natural disasters. But what scares me most is that 48% of the population doesn't care about climate change. Their insensitivity about the causes and their lack of empathy towards the consequences are the root cause of climate change. Climate change is so important to me because my conscience is screaming and it needs to be heard. It is our moral obligation to provide our elders, younger generations, pets, and loved ones with healthy and safe environment. Using Goodwall, we can start conversation, share knowledge, and educate each other on how to reduce carbon footprints and embrace sustainable practices. Let us organize events and collaborate with like-minded people. Let us support community initiatives that are actively working towards environmental sustainability. Using Goodwall, we can connect with individuals, groups, and organizations who share the same passion for combating climate change. Goodwall can amplify our collective efforts. Remember, the journey towards sustainable future begins with small steps, but our actions ripple beyond our immediate surroundings. By harnessing the power of Goodwall, we can create a groundswell of awareness, education, and action that will make a substantial difference in our community's fight against climate change. Together, let us become the change makers our community needs. Join the Green Rising movement today and become a catalyst for a more resilient future.